Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to delete threads without deleting an Instagram account. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open Threads on your phone. And now, once you open Threads, you will have to click on your profile on the bottom right side. And after that, you'll have to click on the menu on the top right corner. Then here you will find many options. You just have to click on account. Then you should search for deactivate or delete profile just right here. Tap on it. And now you have two options: delete profile or deactivate profile. You need to know what is the difference. The difference is when you delete your account, this will lead to completely deletion and removing of your whole profile, and you cannot undo this process. But if you click on deactivate right here, this will only deactivate your profile, and by this method, your profile will not be visible on Threads, and all your data will not appear to anyone on Threads till you go back and reactivate the profile again. So here you have the choice between deactivating the profile or deleting the profile. So if you think that you may have intention to come back to Threads and use your profile again, you can simply deactivate it by clicking on this button. But if you want to delete it permanently and you do not want to go back to Threads or use the same profile, you just have to click on delete profile. And down below right here you will find that it says your Instagram account, this mentioned right here, will not be deleted or deactivated. So do not worry about your Instagram account. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.